Hello friends, so today I'm with a new video. I'm really happy. And this, okay, I will not tell you what is this. I mean, of course, you can read from the video name, but so first let's open. Okay, it's really packed well. So let me do this. Okay. Oh, I did half of the job. Okay. So I'm okay. Oh, such a packing. This is the first time I'm seeing a packing like this. So, this is the thing. Galaxy Pro, Galaxy 3 Pro. And this is the latest and greatest in the world of Android from Samsung. The best headphone for now until they launch the new one. So this is the Galaxy 3 Pro. I bought the gray version. There was a white one as well. And so this is the thing. Once you open, they have a light as well. I think once we pair, then it will work. It already has some battery. Think here is the pairing button, here is the charging button, and they look very beautiful. So I think there is nothing else in the box. Let me see. They never give wire or charging or anything. Oh, they gave wire. Okay. Oh, that's very positive. Actually, very nice. Because I don't remember that they ever gave us wire. So this is very nice. Actually, I was hoping that they will give, but they gave. Wow, that's very nice. That's it, guys. So I will make another video, and this is Anatel. Anatel is the company in Brazil which authorizes, which verifies which product will be launched, which product cannot be launched. So thank you so much. So finally, this is the product, and it looks good.